when I made you famous. Make another one famous. Make another one famous. Oh no, no, no.
Honey.
It's Daphne Wig here, and I'm coming to you with this pretty brown unit right here. So if you're interested, stay tuned. All right, girls, we got us a cutie patootie, and her name is Daphne. She's a part of the Outre in Play Human Hair Optimics Lace Wig, and her name is Daphne, and the color is DR30. She is a 13x4 lace closure. So y'all know I really never show y'all like the box and all the packages and stuff like this, but this baby came regal, okay? She came regal in a box that was cute. So I love the packaging. I just had to acknowledge that because that made me feel like I was a VIP premium type of customer, girl. Moving on, let's get into Daphne. So as you can see, she is DR30. I'm kind of nervous about wearing this type of color, but she works with me, especially if she has the dark rooting. So that's why what I appreciate the most. I'm going to give you the full frame first, and then I'll go ahead and give you close-ups. She's a super long unit, which I love. She is also layered though. So she is layered. She has some soft, subtle curls in her. Y'all already know what I do. Here's my bum. There's the hair. Her layers go from long to short. So I have this behind my ear because of the fact I do like how layered she is, but it's something about the top of this layer on these sides that I really never care for hair that does this on both sides. It almost reminds me of those whiskers on the mustache. So yeah, I'm not quite a fan of the layers on both sides, but I do like the fact that the layers would go on both sides just in case I want to tilt it over and make it kind of a left side or a right side. Then I still have something to kind of play with my bang. So that actually may not be a bad thing. I like her. It's framing my face very nicely. I love this color. I would not wear this color if it didn't have the dark root, but the dark root is definitely selling me with this color. I'm noticing more of the shedding than I am the tangling. I did not pluck the part in this unit, which was a plus. You see how long it is. You see as far as how full it is. It's not the fullest of wigs, but I like wigs that are not completely full. It's not too thin, but it's not like overpowering on my head. Y'all know I don't like all the hair. It's something about it looking sleek and natural that I prefer over bundles and bundles and bundles. It's just not my thing. So that is a plus for this hair. Let's get into the construction of this cap. So let's get up close and personal. Okay, so of course you know that I showed you how long it is. I've showed you the layers that come in it. I've showed you the color. Now I just want to talk about the construction of the cap. So that is why I'm this close, okay? So you have two combs in the front. This time the combs to me are more pushed to the back, like midway. It's literally like here and here. And then it's all lace right here, which is new to me, but I think I like it a little bit more. I feel more secure that way, and I like how the lace is laying as well by the combs being more back here than all the way up here in the front. It has lace that came from ear to ear. It goes all the way around, and guys, it even goes all the way around to the back. So if you want to put this girl up in a ponytail, you can do that because she has lace back there. There is a comb in the back as well as adjustable straps. She is big head friendly because y'all know I got a big head. She's laying perfectly for me. I did not have to pluck my part whatsoever. Here is my part. All I did was put a bit of concealer on her. I cut a little bit of baby hair out in the front and just swooped her over that way. She was very low maintenance for me. When I tell you, all I did was cut the lace off, put a little piece of baby hair over to the side, and put some concealer on her. That is all I did. I did not have to cut her. I did not have to customize her. I did not have to pluck her. I did not have to do anything but cut the lace, put her on my head, and put some little baby hairs up there. If you don't even want to put baby hair up there, you don't have to. It's still very nice. So I do love the fact that it was low maintenance. I'm all about low maintenance because I am an entrepreneur. I have my own business to worry about instead of taking years and years and years just to get a wig to look right. This wig was sent to me by ebonyline.com. I will make sure that I comment down below with the details if you want this wig. I do suggest you go purchase this wig. You know I'm trying to find some nice, sexy, sleek, bomb units for Valentine's Day. This is one that I feel like is definitely something that would be very cute on you for a night out with your honey. Okay, so the pros to this hair is it's a great length. I like the layers down at the bottom. I love the color transition from the black to the DR30. I love the construction of the cap and how the lace is just like laying perfectly. I did not have to customize this part. That was perfect for me as well. So I love those things. I love the density of this hair, that it's not overwhelming and that it does look sleek and natural. And I also like the fact that I could be versatile with this wig and make it a left or a right part. Now, what I don't like about this wig is that it is shedding. It is shedding on me way more than what I would like. I've seen wigs that shed more. So it's something that's manageable, but again, I'm going to be real with you. And it may be because of the length of the wig, the cut of the wig. I do like the silky, but I don't know how well it's gonna hold up for me. I do not really care for the two mustache layers right here. And one angle is really cute, but then like in the front it's like, you see how she just poking out? So this is how I'm gonna fix this. I'm just gonna put this on behind my ear and voila. There's nothing about this wig that I would say, oh no girl, don't get this wig. Anything can be fixed, anything can be managed. You can cut it, you can recurl it, you can straighten it, you can put it behind your ear like this. And like I said, it is shedding, but it's not shedding to a point of where you're gonna be looking like you just got dog hair all on your clothes. Considering I'm wearing black, I think I'm doing pretty good. So that is all for this unit. Thank you so much, Ebony Line, for sending me this unit. She is a doll. I love the color. I just love these wigs that are coming out that I can get out to you in time enough for Valentine's Day. If you have this wig, please let me know in what color. Did it shed on you? Did it tangle on you? What do you like about this wig? What don't you like about this wig? Let's chat. Let's talk. Let's have a conversation down below. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get us to 5,000 subscribers so we can start doing these giveaways, so we can set the bar higher for more, because I know that we can do it. Share this video. Let everybody know that we love wigs, okay? Because this is cute. All right, so I hope that I have been bringing you some cute makeup looks and some cute units for Valentine's Day. And I think so far we got some options to be bomb. If you have this unit, if you do purchase this unit, be sure to tag me in your pictures on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram at @the_real_ChatneyB, which will be located down below somewhere here. But follow me, tag me in your pictures, comment down below, let's chat, because I love you. And you know I love you, okay? In the meantime, in between time, make sure you take care of yourself, because if you don't take care of yourself, you can't come back to see me and all these bomb units. Pinky promise, I will do the same. I love you. Take care of yourself. Have a great Valentine's Day. Make sure you tag me in your pictures because I want to see how cute you are. I gotta go. See ya.